Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are driving from Albion in St. Thomas towards Harborview, and this is a finished section of the Southern Coastal Highway. Now this road is going to be 4 lanes, a dual carriageway. The 2 lanes on this side are finished, and if you see on the left, the 2 lanes on that side are under construction. So this will give you an excellent idea of what the highway is going to look like when it's finished. You're going to drive on a road like this all the way from Harborview to Port Antonio, and you're going to have 110 kilometers of roadway. So this section, in some sections it's going to be 4 lanes, in some sections it's going to be 2 lanes, in some sections the road will run along the existing road, some sections a new road will be built. So this is just one section that's finished, and as each section is finished, they'll open it up to the public to use. Remember, this is a free road, there is no toll to use this road, so as they finish it, they'll just open it up. So this side has been finished, so they've opened it up to the public. Now the road will go straight, but that section is still under construction. So we go back on the old road, and then at another section we can get onto the finished road, or the finished section. So the main contractor for this project is China Harbour Engineering Company, but at certain sections local contractors are used, but the overall main contractor is China Harbour Engineering Company. So the subcontractors would fall under China Harbour Engineering Company. And we have videos up of the subcontractors and the issues that they have with China Harbour, and the issues China Harbour has with them, and the issues that the government has with everybody. So you can check out those videos on the channel. Alright, so this is another section of the highway that's finished. You can see it's going to be a very nice road, similar to Highway 2000, except no toll to use these roads. So can you imagine driving all the way to Portland on a road like this, all the way to St. Thomas? It's going to make reaching those parishes so much easier. So much development has started in those parishes because this highway is going to connect it to Kingston. You really have to admire the progress that's going on in Jamaica. And the government is really doing a good job in building these highways. It's taking time, but it's moving along nicely. So by 2025, this entire highway should be finished, and then they'll start phase 2 of the Southern Coastal Highway project, which is building a highway from Negril to Manchester along the coast. Highway 2000 is a highway that's running from Kingston to Montego Bay, but that runs through the middle of Jamaica, through the interior of Jamaica, and that one is a toll road. This is a turnoff you would use if you're going to the Grand Span area. Alright, so straight ahead is where the highway will connect to the... It will go straight... Well, it's not going to go straight across, but it will connect to the road that's over there. Alright, so this is the existing road now. This road will no longer, the highway is going to bypass this entire road. It's going to run to the left of it, but this is what the persons have to drive on now if you're going to St. Thomas. And you can see how important that highway will be, because you no longer have to drive on this road. You'll have a much nicer road to drive on. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.